Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix an annoying issue with Ctrl plus semicolon not working on Ubuntu Linux systems, mainly on Google Sheet. Let's jump right into it. First, open your terminal. You can do this by either pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T or searching for terminal in your system menu. Now, enter the command Ubuntu setup and hit enter. This will open up the Ubuntu preferences window, which is where we can manage our input methods. Once the Ubuntu preferences window is open, click on the emoji tab. Here, you'll see shortcuts for the emoji annotation. You'll notice there are two shortcuts listed here, Ctrl plus period and Ctrl plus semicolon. For many users, having both can cause issues. To fix this, simply delete Ctrl plus semicolon by selecting it and clicking on delete. After that, close the Ubuntu preferences window and you're done. Test your emoji shortcut by pressing Ctrl plus period. It should now work perfectly without any issues. And that's it, your emoji shortcut is fixed. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.